I must say this again, and I want to challenge every woman that desire to be a wife and every wife that desire to be a mother, that you don't wait till you become the wife, you don't wait till you become the mother before you start praying for the fruit of your womb. It is imperative that as you go through life on a day-to-day basis, that you spend time and lay hands upon your tummy and speak life to the fruit of your womb. You have to come to that place where you lay hands and you declare that the fruit of my womb shall not die but live. The fruit of my womb shall be strong and do great exploit. The fruit of my womb will know the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob and live a God-fearing life. Amen. Somebody say amen.